How to pin applications to taskbar in your Windows. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial for that, so you may follow out this method. So we can start by clicking on the start button of our screen of our keyboard and find the application that you would like to pin. For example, let's say Word. So I can right click on it, select the option for unpin to taskbar, click on it, and it will be pinned to a taskbar. Now it will appear on your taskbar. You can see it. Apart from that, if the application shortcut is on your desktop, you can find no shortcut, right click on it, and for that also you can select the option for pin to taskbar and go ahead and pin it to taskbar. That way also you can find pin to taskbar option there and go ahead and do so and then pin it. Otherwise, we can pin while the application is open. So if you have opened the application like this, you can just go over and find it in the taskbar. Once it pops up, right click on it and select the option for pin to taskbar, and the application will be now pinned to the taskbar when you open it up. There we go. You can just go ahead and do so. If you want to unpin it again from the taskbar, you can right click on it and select the option for unpin from taskbar, and it will unpin from your taskbar. It won't appear on your taskbar that way. But usually these are the method you can follow up if you'd like to, pin an application on your taskbar. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.